Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be making a straight wig using darling braiding hair extension. And the colors I have here is silver, which is more like color 613, and the other color I have here is color 1, which is black. I'm gonna cut the braiding hair into 2 equal halves, pull out the ends and detangle thoroughly. I'm done detangling both colors. I'll go ahead and mix them together. I'm not gonna mix it to be so perfect. I just want them to have a blend of each other. And when you're done mixing both colors, go ahead and detangle the hair again before crocheting. I've already ventilated my closure, and if you want to see how I ventilated it, the video link will be in my description box. This is what the front looks like, and the other part you saw is the back. I'll go ahead and sew it onto the wig cap, but before I do that, I'll first of all pin the closure onto the wig cap so it don't move and so I don't make mistakes while sewing. So I'm done sewing and this is what it's looking like. I'll braid the hair to keep it out of the way so we don't get in my way while I'm crocheting. So before you dip the hair in boiled water, ensure this is the boiling point of your water. And with this kind of boiled water, trust me, you won't need to flat iron or blow dry this hair when you're done. Put some hair conditioner into the boiled water, and please be generous with your conditioner because it helps soften the braiding hair extension. Now gently dip the hair in the boiled water as seen in the video. Once you're done, pat the hair dry with a towel and place it on the mannequin head. Take a little amount of hair conditioner and apply it all over the wig. After that, comb through using a rat tail comb. Then leave the hair to air dry. I left mine and it dried completely within 24 hours, and this is the next day. See how silky it is. Y'all know me in dark roots. I'm gonna darken the roots of the blonde hair using a permanent marker. I do this because it gives the wig a more natural and realistic look. That is, if you're the type who knows nothing about human hair wigs, you would think this is actually a human hair wig. I'm gonna darken the other side of camera, then come back and show y'all. You see what I'm talking about? Nothing but perfection and realistic look. So I'll cut off the lace underneath the closure. Now for all the doubting Thomas in the building who would say you showed us a synthetic wig but installed a human hair wig, why are you deceiving us rather cray individuals? Now look well, look closely. You can see that crochet pattern, right? Good. I'm gonna lay the closure using the Got to Be Glued spiking glue and the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. Blend using a darker shade of your foundation shade and wait for the final look. And if you love my makeup, head over to my makeup channel and go watch how I created this look, and the link to my makeup channel will be in my description box. Also subscribe when you get there, okay? Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.